Namaste everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well and are having a good time at your homes this weekend. However, if this is the first time that you have stumbled upon my channel, I would really appreciate if you took just a moment to hit the red subscribe button right below this video and also hit the notification bell right next to it so you're notified every time I post a new video. So if you are someone who's fascinated by mandalas and loves making them and also want to incorporate them in your room decor or home decor, then this is just the right DIY for you. So I have used a very basic dartboard to make this mandala on because I believe as kids most of us had dartboards to play with. However, if you do not have a dartboard at your home at your disposal, then you can very easily use something like this. Now this is basically a cake base. Whenever you order cake from outside, this is basically what your cake rests on. So you can use this very easily after cleaning it up thoroughly and then making the mandala on this exactly how I have made it on the dartboard. So before we dive into this video, please don't forget to connect with me on social media. I'm going to leave all of my social media handles right here at the bottom of the screen. So you guys can connect with me there. And needless to say, I say it every time, if you decide to recreate this beautiful DIY, please don't forget to tag me or send me a DM showing your amazing recreations. And without further ado, let's dive right into this video. So I'm starting off with this basic AF dartboard. You can see how worn out it is and basically of no use at this point. I've chosen this bright purple shade for the base and tracing the dartboard over it. Now for the pen, I'm using the Uniball Sino 0.8 in a gold shade, and this pen retails for 50 rupees. You can go for any other pen or shade as long as it's 100% opaque on the sheet you're working with. As a fast forward, I've already drawn a Ganesh silhouette sort of thing in a circle and will be progressing with my mandala around it. I already have a blueprint ready for the design I want to follow, so I'm just going to go forward with it. And in case you guys want a picture of what I'm making, you'll find it on all my social media accounts. So just fast forwarding the process. Here's a close-up of the first two circles, and now we're going to skip through the drawing process and jump to the completed mandala. Grab a pair of scissors and leave a gap of about 4 inches at the edges, and you don't have to be very neat with the cutting, it eventually will be hidden. Place your mandala over the dartboard and press the edges to get the impression of the dart so that you would know your mandala is in the center. Stick it in place once you're happy with its placement, and the next step will be to flip it over and see if it's stuck nicely and won't budge. To fold it over the edges, make periodic cuts around the circumference like so and apply generous amounts of glue on all flaps and start folding them over neatly, and repeat this for all flaps. Here's the post-glue drying result, and upon flipping it over, it should look something like this, and I'm honestly in awe of how beautiful this looks already. Now I'd intentionally left a margin of about an inch so I could design this part without exceeding the circumference of the dartboard. So now I won't be going over the boundary while designing the edge. And time for the final reveal, and this looks so immaculate. I love the ornate details of this mandala, and that's the beauty of it. The intricacies are so relaxing, and this would make for such a beautiful decor piece. So go ahead and get drawing already. And that was it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. Before you go, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. Also, if you want a reference photo for making this mandala, I'm going to be posting a picture of this on all my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. So if you want a reference photo, you can find it there. And if you want, you can also take a screenshot from in between the video if that is more convenient for you. And with that, it's a wrap for this week's video. And I'll see you very soon in my next one, which will be coming up next Friday as always. Until then, bye.